Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
to this grand wedding reception. Please, can you put those hands together for yourselves? Please, a round of applause for yourselves. If you're happy to be here to celebrate with the couple, please, can you put those hands together for yourselves? I believe you deserve a big round of applause. I'm not introducing anybody in particular, but I'm recognizing everybody for your patience and for your waiting. Please, a round of applause for yourselves. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to welcome the newest and latest couple in town. They've done the most important part of the ceremony, and this is just a celebration with us, with you and I. It is time for us to welcome them, and I'm thinking the husband, as an agenda of concern, who is a close relative of the husband, with those of the place and worship with father, who will do more. Therefore, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to share their joy, and I pray for the audience to please rise on your feet as soon as they step their feet into the hall. But right now, let's celebrate the groomsmen.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.